I'm going to talk about the difference between dry cleaning and laundry, okay? There is a pure difference between dry cleaning. Dry cleaning of fabric is the use of chemical solvents, perchlone, white spirit, certain solvents that we use, okay? That's for certain fabric. Laundry is wet cleaning. Wet cleaning is a regular thing that you do. Now, under wet cleaning, we have two types: express wet cleaning and deep wet cleaning, okay? Majority of fabrics, for them to last, you should do express wet cleaning, and I'm going to define what that means. And maybe along the subsequent of this program, I'm going to bring out one of my shirts. I got it 12 years ago. Have you ever thought about that beautiful dress or shirt that whenever you wear, you get a second look, okay? And after 2-3 years, it fades away, okay? Now, I will tell you the truth. 90% or 95% of the dry cleaners out there do not understand from this concept, okay? It's even better you wash it yourself, and I'm going to teach you how to do those things. For example, this t-shirt I'm wearing, I think I got it about, 2009, okay? Though it's giving way now. So count 2009 to now. Because there's a way we treat the clothes, okay? It's wet cleaning, but it's express wet cleaning. Now, but what we're talking about is you taking clothes to dry cleaners and you're telling them to dry clean this shirt. Now, what are the fabrics that should be dry cleaned? Delicate materials, okay? That do not take water. Certain kind of silk, certain kind of cashmere, some sensitive fabrics, they write it at the collar, some suits, expensive suits. Not even only about 45% of suits should be dry cleaned. The other ones are express cleaned. Express most of the time. 90% of suits can be express cleaned. Okay, so when you take fabric to the dry cleaner, you tell him dry clean. Dry cleaning most of the time costs more. For example, if we have fabric that we charge, let's say 2,000 naira to wash, and you bring it to us to dry clean, we're going to charge you about maybe 7,000 naira for it, because the cost of perchlone or that we use to clean that fabric is very expensive. So we should be careful when we say dry clean. Or when your dry cleaner accepts you, told him dry clean, said he would dry clean. What he actually did is went to wash your water. So what you're going to ask him is, what did you use to dry clean? Okay? A lot of people are not happy for asking this, for me saying this. What did you use to dry clean? If he tells you I will know how to do it, then he's not sure. Tell him to call his office that you need white spirit or perchlone. Perchlone is highly expensive.